Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe, a big SUV for big fun. It features an 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the entertainment package, adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, leather seats, cruise control, and steering wheel mounted controls, 9 strategically placed speakers, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 69,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.